What's up guys, DIY Salvage Guy here. Welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, we're going to be rebuilding this entire F250 in 10 minutes. So if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe down below, like, comment, interact with me. Let me know what you guys think about this build. And make sure you guys check out the other builds in 10 minutes and the entire series as well. All my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here and continuing to support me. Make sure that you guys have your post notifications on, that you guys are following me on all the socials at DIY Salvage Guy. And also make sure you guys check the merch line out as well down below. That way you guys can help support the channel, and that way I can get better and better builds to bring you guys every single day. Let's hop into this right now. that's going to do it for today's episode, guys. This pretty much marks the end of the build. This entire series has been a lot of fun to do, from doing it in the field to making sure that everything is good when we get it over at home. So we're going to install a radio and maybe a couple tune-up items as well, so you might catch that in the future. But thank you guys so much for checking it out. If you guys are new here, thank you guys so much for being here and checking it out. Make sure you guys subscribe down below, like, comment, interact with me. Make sure you guys tell your friends about this stuff as well. Post notifications, ring that bell, make sure that they're on. That way you guys can check the builds and everything else that I post on this channel. Also, all of my returning viewers and subscribers, thank you guys so much for being here and continuing to support me. I hope that you guys will be inspired by this and just understand that it's an easy thing to do. You just learn as you go, whether you're in a field or in a garage or a high-tech body shop, you can do these sorts of things. So hopefully you guys will be inspired by this and just pick up a wrench, buy a car, do whatever you need to do. Just try to become a DIY salvage guy yourself.